everyone, I am Joey Portugal, and this video presentation is about IP address and subnetting. So our given is 173.128.10.100 over /28. So the first thing you need is to lay down all the bits on. We have first octet, second octet, third octet, and fourth octet. So again, we have 28 bits on, and we need to lay down all of it. So we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 24, and another 4, and remaining is 0. So the next step is to get the value of all the 0. The concept is number 1, 2, 4, and 8. If we add those numbers, that is equivalent to 15. So the next thing to do is to get the value of this bit. So for you to be able to get the value of that bit, you have to add 1 and 15. So our increment will be 16. For every increment, we have to add 16. So we have the network IP, the range, which has first and last IP, and the broadcast IP. So we need to lay down the first range, which is 173.128.10.16. So we have the first range, which is 173.128.10.16. So add another 16 is equal to 32. 16 again, 48, plus 16, 64, plus 16 is 80, plus 16 again, 96, and 16 again, 112. But we will stop in 173.128.10.96 because the number 100, the given, will fall on the range of 173.128.10.96. So this will be our focus. So we have 173.128.10.96, and we need to get 173.128.10.112 to be able to get the broadcast IP. So for you to be able to get that, you should less 1 in the bit of 112 or that 112, and then the answer will be 173.128.10.111. And then we need to get the first IP in the range, which we need to add 1 from .96. The first IP will be 173.128.10.97, and the last IP will be coming from 173.128.10.111, just less 1 in .111. The last IP will be 173.128.10.110. So that will be our final answer. So the last step will be getting the subnet mask. So for you to be able to get the subnet mask, you just need to add all the bits on. So the first octet is 255, second 255, the third is 255, and the fourth is 240. The total bit is 255 minus the 15, which is the value of the 40, then the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.40. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jerica Kumaling, and we're going to talk about IP address and subnetting. Here's the given problem. 128.90.75.100 with subnet mask of 28. And therefore, to get the bits of individual, we have to solve the octet, and there were first, second, third, and fourth octet. Because the subnet mask is 28, so let's count 28 bits. After getting 28 bits, let's count the remaining as 000. And the constant number is 1248. To get the value, just add this and it's equal to 15. To get the increment, just add over here a 1 and it's equal to 16, and the 16 is our increment. So let's get the network IP to range to broadcast and a subnet mask. So let us put our first IP address, and it was 128.90.75 and 16, and it follows by 128.90.75 and 32. Just add 16 in every increment, and it follows by 48, 64, 80, and 96, and we stop here because we find our suitable for increment. And the last is 128.90.70. So let us put our first and last IP address. Our first IP address is 128.90.75 and 96. And the last IP address is 128.90.75 and 112. Let's find range and broadcast. We have to find first the broadcast, and it became 128.90.75 and 111. Just minus add from the last IP address. And to get the range, just add in the first range and minus in the last range. That's all. I thank you.
Hi, I am Emil Candelaria. This video presentation is about IP address and subnetting. So for this given, I have 190.128.10.98 with the subnet mask 27 or slash 27. First step, you need to lay down the bits on the first octet, second octet, third octet, and fourth octet. So again, I have 27 bits and put all the 27 bits on here. And the remaining is 0. Get the value of 0. The constant is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Start from right to left. That is from binary codes. Add those numbers. The equivalent is 31. Next step, get the value of last bit. To able to get the value of this bit is add 1 from 31, so the value is 32. 32 is the value of our increments. For every increment, you need to add 32. So we have network IP, range first IP, and last IP, and broadcast IP. Under network IP, put the first range 190.128.10.32, and another range is plus 32, plus 32, and 32 again. So it will stop here at 190.128.10.96 because the value of 98 fall in this range 190.128.10.96. So this is our focus. And you need to get the last range also 190.128.10.128 to be able to get the broadcast IP. The broadcast IP is 190.128.10.127, less 1 from the last value of network IP. Next, get the value of range first IP. The first range IP is 190.128.10.97. Add 1 from 192.128.10.96. For range last IP is less 1 again from broadcast IP 190.128.10.127. So, this is the final answer for IP address. For the last part of this video presentation is get the value of subnet mask. To be able to get the subnet mask is add all these octet. For every octet is equivalent of 255 based on binary codes. for the last octet is less 31 for the value of 0. And the final answer is 255, 255, 255, and 224. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned.
I am Justin Giburo. IP address and subnetting.
IP address and subnetting.
192.173.25.32 divide in 25 you given 25 in 25 0 0 0 in 15 and 16 and network IP 192.173.725.16. The second 192 173.25.32. The range IP first IP last 192 173.25.15. The last 16. The last 192.173.25 32. So 30 the last 32. The word cut 172 173.25.31 the last 32. In given in 25 in the subnet sub, sub subnet mask and 255 255 and the last 240. The subnet mask 250 point 240.
Hello everyone, this is John Joshua Eranjo, and today I will show you how to get the IP address in subnetting mask. First, we will get the IP 192.168.0.92 and CIDR is 28. Second, you need to fill the CIDR on every octave to get the increment. To get the increment, first things first, add the 8421, which is the binary number, to get 15, and plus 1 on the other side to get the 16, and that's it, you have increment. To use the increment of 16, you need add 16 itself to get closer value to 92, which is 80 and 96. Now, let's get the network IP, range, broadcast, and subnet mask. Our network IP is 192.168.0.80 and under is 96, which means that these two values, 80 and 96, are closer to 92. So, we will change the 92 to 80 to able to get the broadcast. Our broadcast is 192.168.0.95. As you can see, to get the broadcast, you need to minus 1 the 96, which is the largest number in the increment, and put it to broadcast. That's why I get the 95. Now, let's get the range. First and last IP. Our first range is 192.168.0.81 and our last range IP is 192.168.0.94. To get the first range, you just need plus 1 the 80 to able to get the 192.168.0.81 from 192.168.0.80. And to get the last range IP, you just did -1 the 95 from broadcast, which is 192.168.0.95, to able to get the last IP, which is 192.168.0.94. Now let's move to get the subnet mask. To get the subnet mask, in every octave, we have 255 in binary numbers. So, if first octave is 255, second is 255, third is 255, fourth octave is 240. Why 240? Because the 40 is equivalent to 15 in binary numbers. So it means 255 minus 15 is equals to 240. That's why I get the 240. So our subnet mask is 255, 255, 255.240. And that's all.
I hope you understand our actual video about IP address and subnetting. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.